Hello everyone, this is Geraldine and you can just call me Je. I know kaya ka nandito is because of the digital product I am talking about from my posts. Now, kung madali kang maboard kagaya ko, you can click on the settings button and it times 2 yung playback speed para mabilis matapos yung video. Pero kung okay lang naman sa'yo, you can just continue on watching. Now, let us first define ano nga ba ang digital product and paano kumikita dito. Digital products are intangible items, hindi nahahawakan, and that are delivered electronically gaya ng music, software, ebooks, photos, and courses. Essentially, anything that can be downloaded and used digitally can be considered a digital product. At alam nyo naman that digital products can be sold online and anyone with access to a computer and internet can create. Bakit nga ba madaming nag-shift into selling digital products? Kasi unlike other businesses na you need to look for suppliers, mag-rent ka ng pwesto, mag-hire ka ng staff, and etc. Dito, you could put in lesser effort. Once you were able to create your product, isa-send mo na lang yung link or access, then voila, nakabenta ka na. At alam nyo ba na ang top 1 na most popular digital product to sell is online course or educational course? That is what I'm about to delve into. I have here an online course that you can resell right away. Yes, you heard it right. Pwede mo na din itong i-resell. This is a master resell right that once you availed, pwede mong i-rebrand at i-resell. Unlike other courses na kapag binili mo for your own knowledge lang and hindi siya pwedeng ibenta dahil syempre baka makopyright ka nung gumawa. Gaya ng mga courses about virtual assistant or social media manager, ganon. So, once na nag-avail ka, it is solely intended for you to learn and not to make profit from it, but out of what you've learned. Pero with my digital course, pwede mo siyang i-resell kahit hindi ikaw ang gumawa. And you don't need to start from scratch kasi pwede mo siyang i-rebrand as your own. If you're asking, paano ka kikita dito, saan ba ibibenta, paano i-resell, paano yung rebranding, ano yung mga kailangan gawin, guys, that is the content of my course. Andun na lahat. Step-by-step guide as in from creation to marketing, given na lahat. So, paano nga i-resell? Nasa course po lahat. All you need to do right now is makinig and digest everything. And if you think it is for you, then you can just message me on Instagram to avail. So, eto na nga. What are the inclusions na makukuha mo once na nag-avail ka nitong digital course natin? Here, you can pause and take a screenshot. First, you will learn how to create your own course. Kung ayaw mo naman, pwede mo itong i-resell. Itong mismong course na to by rebranding it. Once you availed, magsisend ako ng link at yun na mismo yung access sa course. Kailangan mong aralin yung course na yun and it is up to you if gagawa ka ng sarili mong course with a different topic or i-resell mo and hindi ka talaga mag-start from scratch. And another thing is, meron na ring built-in funnel that you can simply modify to market as your brand. Now, let's deep dive how can we really earn using this product. First is, again, you can resell our existing course. Kasama sa course ang libreng funnel and website that you can modify or edit and use to rebrand and resell the course. Again, nasa course po ang step-by-step process kung papaano i-navigate ang funnel at ang system na gagamitin mo. So, i-digest at i-apply mo na lang talaga siya. Number 2 is you can create your own course. Once na naaral mo na tong course na to, andito na lahat ng kailangan mo kung paano gumawa. The only thing you need is, of course, your knowledge. If you have skills about, for example, social media managing, VA, and you want to create your own course, this is your first step in gaining additional income aside from your job. Kahit hindi pagiging freelancer, for example, you have a knowledge about being a software developer. At alam naman natin na isa yun sa mga highest paying jobs sa panahon ngayon. So, madami ang interesado to learn more about it. Since you have the skills and knowledge, you can create a course about it, how to start, or the things that they need to do, or anything that you can share about software development. Another example, For example, being a customer service representative. Since ang daming interested pumasok sa BPO industry, might as well create a course that would guide them. Sobrang dami pang topics na pwede mong gawan ng course and you will not build it from scratch. That is why my course exists. Yes, matrabaho siya sa umpisa, but once it is done, pwede mo nang ibenta for your passive income. At saka pwede ka din gumamit ng ChatGPT, Google, and other resources to be able to create the content of your course. Then, once done, you will create funnels and website on how to automate your business, which is included din dito sa course. Last item is that you can offer this as a skill. Ang daming naghahanap online ng mga course creators, so this is something that you can also make profit from. So, if you are going to ask if beginner-friendly ba, yes na yes, kasi pang beginner talaga yung course. Spoon-feeding na siya more. So, step by step, and hindi siya mahirap intindihin. Kahit hindi ka tech-savvy, basta marunong kang bumasa at mag-follow ng instructions, goods na goods ka na. And hindi din po kailangan ng maraming followers dahil meron din po kaming marketing strategy sa loob ng course where you will learn how to promote, gain followers, and for correct audience. O, diba? All in one. So, if you are curious and nagtatanong kayo baka scam naman, guys, you can stalk me on Instagram or sa TikTok ko, and I will not use my personal social media if I'm planning to scam you. So, this is also not networking kasi once you availed, isa-send ko sa'yo yung access mo, then sa'yo na yon. You are free to learn from it and resell it. Wala akong makukuhang percentage or what kapag ka ni-resell mo. So, 100% own profit mo yan. Now, if you have decided to avail this course, simply click the link below for payment options. And thank you so much for watching.